Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is very important for students, job seekers and professionals. We are going to talk about which jobs can be replaced by artificial intelligence and which jobs are safe from AI. These jobs are divided into three categories: high risk jobs, medium risk jobs, low risk jobs. Part 1: high risk jobs are also called most automatable jobs. What are high risk jobs? High risk jobs are those jobs that can be easily automated by AI. These jobs are mostly repetitive, routine, and rule based. Example: data entry. AI can enter, sort, and manage data very fast. Call center agents. Chatbots and AI voice systems can answer customer questions. Basic bookkeeping. AI software can manage accounts and records automatically. Cashiers and bank tellers. Self-checkout machines and online banking reduce human need. Travel and visa form fillers. AI can fill online forms quickly and correctly. SEO and basic copywriters. AI can write articles, blogs, and advertisements. Translators and subtitlers. Subtitlers. AI can translate languages instantly. HR screening and admin work. AI can scan CVs and shortlist candidates. Tier 1 help desk support. AI can solve basic technical problems. Why high risk? The question is that why they are in high risk. The answer is because these jobs follow fixed rules and do not require deep human thinking. Part 2: medium risk jobs. AI assisted means simply we say helped. What are medium risk jobs? Medium risk jobs are not fully replaced, but AI helps humans work faster. For example, manual software testing. AI tests software, but humans check complex errors. Junior front end developers. AI helps write code, but human designs and control it. Paralegal and clerical jobs. AI searches documents, lawyers make decisions. Insurance, claims, trash. AI sorts claims, human improve them. Dispatch and routing. AI plans routes, human handle problems. Radiology and pathology pre-reads. All detects AI detects images, doctors confirm result. Pharmacy back office work. AI manages data, pharmacists supervise. Code drafting. AI assists and designs, engineer finalize them. Finalize them. Survey and data cleaning. AI cleans data, analysis, interpret it. Why medium risk? Because AI assists, but human judgment is still required. Low risk jobs. More resilient. Low risk jobs are hard to replace by AI. These jobs need human skills, emotions, physical work, and creativity. Examples: electricians, plumber, HA, HVAC technicians. These jobs require hands on work. Welders, auto and EV technicians. Skilled physical labor cannot be replaced easily. Nurses, doctors, therapists. Human care and empathy are very important. Teachers and trainers. Teaching needs human interaction. Human interaction. Sales and relationship managers. Trust and communications are human skills. Litigators, social workers, compliance officers. These roles need reasoning and ethics. Project and operation managers. Leadership and decision makings are human strengths. Construction management. One side problem solving need people. Why low risk? Because these jobs need human presence and responsibility. That's it.